Illustrated Soul. I'm giving you a how-to video on how to put your Procreate images onto your Teemill website. So first of all, you want to go to your Teemill app, select the picture, the drawing that you want to use. You want to remove the background and then save the photo as a PNG. Save image. That should go into your photos. Then you head towards your Teemill store, go to product, new product. You pick the product that you want to use. I'm going to go for a women's t-shirt, oversized t-shirt. You upload your picture, click upload, upload image, photo library, click on the picture you want to use. There you go. So you can adjust the size. It comes in the middle. You can adjust the size. You could have it in the corner, have it large print in the middle. Make sure it's in the middle. The blue line will come up when it's in the middle. You could put it to the top. On this side, you can add text. They give you an option to choose which sort of text you'd like to use. And then you can edit that. So say if you wanted be kind to go over your image, make that a bit smaller, make sure it's in the middle. Then you can click on the text. You can change the colour to match your t-shirt. So you might want pink. You can change which shade pink, whichever one you would like. You can change the spacing, the line height, the line width, the stroke, the gradient, the shadow. So you might want less shadow or more shadow. And then you go to save, put your product name. So you might want to put B t-shirt. And here you can put your description in here. I'll just put a quick description in. Then you go down to your collection. You choose which collection you want to add it to. So you put women's for that one. You can add all the different colours depending what t-shirt it is. And then they've got AI mock-ups here, so you can choose which colour you want to do your mock-up in, and then choose your model, and then it will present your design on the model. Save it. You can add as many mock-ups as you want to. You can change the pricing here to see in blue is what profit you get. And then if you go to the advanced SEO section, you can put Be Kind t-shirt. And then you can pick your campaign phrases. So be kind, BT, festival wear. So you want to choose things that people might search for in Google, and then save that, and then save your product, and then that should appear on your website. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and follow me on Instagram and YouTube for more tutorials.